So basically, avoid these high winds. Oh my god. Dang. Yo.
Fucking bitch.
My goodness. Alaska is breaking the windows. That's crazy. Whoa, my gosh. Can't even see them much. Yo, that's crazy. 2 windows broken. 2 windows broken. Oh shit. Damn, bruh. Yep. This is don't worry about what I'm recording on. Worry about something else. Damn. I can't even zoom in on this thing. Yep. Trampolines. Yeah, we woke up like this. How do we not wake up? You know what I'm saying? What happened? Oh, that's what that was? Damn. Yep. Well. It's kind of cold out there. Damn, bruh. You see the tree over there too? So that's my next house right there. That white one. My old friend's house. Vincent. Nate. This is the proof of insurance. See this pipe right here? This one right here? Yep. I wonder if there is weather insurance for today. Hey, you wanna go outside? Go. Go. Let's go. Let's go. Hurry. Can you open the door? It's crazy, but just looking at. Alright, go. That way.
It looks like the bridge next to the service.
Oh yeah.
Wait, let me see. That's a bridge?
Yeah.
Damn, what is that? Trampoline park?
That one that's crossing by their house. The bridge.
Oh, that's theirs? That's theirs?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Well, it's wraps. It is wraps. On some real. Goodbye, bye. Are you good? Oh, look, I think it stopped now. Hey, you got my gloves? Where those gloves at? Where those gloves at? Where those gloves at? Yeah, those ones. Okay, man. Gloves on. It's cold. We can move that wood, too. What are you guys doing? Moving it?
Tape up my windows so I don't get water.
Oh, okay. So yeah, it's basically high winds in Alaska right now, bro. We got trees falling. You know what I'm saying? We got windows cracked. We got trampoline over there. Our trampoline fell or flew. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy, bro. dying, bruh. No, we're not. I lied. I'm just saying that. I woke up to this, by the way. Here we go. The Trampo. Oh my goodness. That's crazy, bread. Whoa! Did Ethan's truck get hit? Did Ethan's truck get hit? I almost slipped, bro. Not gonna lie, I almost arched for a sec. That was gay. But so like, it's been going on for a couple hours, many hours. Not gonna lie, we gotta look at this one. Damn, bro. That's annoying. We should like okay. Yep, we going inside. I want to walk around the block, but like, you know what I'm saying? It's risky. Real risky. I know, bro. Damn, bro. Oh, damn. Fail. Ow. Well. Bruh. Does Alaska have weather insurance for this? Huh? Yeah. Damn. You pay for this crazy. What you doing? Huh? What's that? Huh? Bruh, I'll be back. Can barely see. But so like, that's someone's roof right there. Kind of flew in our area. There's a shed over there straight ahead. That collapsed. Fucking collapsed, bruh. Okay. Yo, that's crazy, bruh. Damn, bro. That's so annoying. Yeah, it's crazy. You got me in the fit, you know what I'm saying? You got me with my polar bears. So they said it's supposed to end at 12, but it's already 12:05, so it's like still going. Our trampoline was right there. It lifted up and flew and folded in half. I just took off. Bar wanted to drive here, but just to the car, bruh.
His car's gonna get hit too, so.
Yeah, that's why I want him to come. Just kidding.
I gotta get that back taped up.
So how much is it gonna be to replace? Oh my Lord, have mercy on my soul. Well, damn. This dude over here, bro. I told him it was black. It's crazy. No. He's going the other way. He's so stupid, man. Oh my god. Keeping it. Damn! Almost blew me away. Shit. Almost blew me. I'm not gonna lie. Look, I'm not gonna lie. That shit almost blew me. Scared me. Almost took off. Free airplane ride. Look at this. This dude right here. Oh, this. It's a whole windshield tree right here. Damn! Huh? I never been down here. In my Crocs edition. Yeah, hey, don't be recording. Hey, put that phone down, bro. Don't be recording nothing. No. We should record it all, bro. We need all the proof we can get so we can send it to law enforcement. Like, damn, bro. That's the perspective right here. Look at her windshield, bro. Caved in, bro. And then the side is also, they taped it off a little bit. But the trampoline right here, I want to go look at that, bro. Okay. Yeah, I know. This trampoline's dead. It's ours. It's ours for this tramp. By the way, I almost flew away. Yeah, that trampoline's gone, bro. That took hella hard work to build and everything. Yeah. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. Shit, you not gonna get up in the car, nigga? You about to get capped in the streets, nigga? Damn, the police. Where the police at? Like, damn, where the cops when you need them, right? Oh, that's so warm, bro. Oh yeah, your car. What'd you say? When I
was like, bruh, cause no, I came from my mom's house. And I didn't come this way because I didn't want to slide down the hill because I got bad tires. I didn't want to slide right into that. So I came this way. I was like, bruh.
Yeah, nah, bro.
So I had to turn around and go all the way down the hill. And anyways, bruh.
Yeah, nah.
See if we can get back up.
Yeah. Oh shit. Okay. I mean, those are yeah. Okay. Yep. Damn, bro. That's crazy though. My mom's mad.
I can tell.
She's and I'm annoyed too because I don't think I could drive no more with a thing like that. What's the point?
I mean, you could, but it's gonna get cold hell.
Yeah, there was no point of freaking. Literally, bruh. There's no point if it's just gonna get like. How you been, bro? Chilling?
This is how my day starts.
Yeah, me too. Woke up to this madness.
Yeah, because I barely made it out of my mom's hill, dude.
For real?
Yeah.
Damn. Oh shit, what is that up? Is that trampoline there?
No,
that's the shed. Yeah, it's the shed. Damn, Northern Lights is have you been on the highway? The free?
I can't take this car on the highway.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh.
Bro, I'm seeing shit like that.
For real? See, look, I'm not driving in this condition. Shit, I'm surprised you even got the balls to do this. This right here is some suicidalness.
Bro, this is why I was dodging and weaving through, bro.
Oh yeah. You gonna do a whole bunch of stick. Damn.
I had to stop right here. You see that stick right there?
Yeah.
That was under my car.
Oh shit.
I caught that one.
Damn, bruh. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's crazy. Someone's trailer or roof fell in our area. That's crazy, bruh. We were playing Last of Us right now. Maneuvers. Damn, bruh. Yeah, that's crazy.
There's a tree fell down on 6.
Bruh. Was it a big one?
Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do about this one.
Oh, great. Any activity over here? Nah, not much. Man, you got the peaceful village over here.
Behind our house, there's a fucking tree, like a branch hanging on the electrical wire. There's a smokehouse knocked over.
Oh, damn.
Which is like a kind of like a shed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's crazy, bruh. Oh Oh my gosh.
Back here.
So on Northern Lights, you said, did you have to maneuver a whole bunch?
A little bit down Mall Dunes, bro. Because water, big puddles, big ass puddles.
Is there a lot of people driving out there?
There's a decent amount of people. The main roads is nowhere near as bad as this, so.
Yeah. That's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, something like that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Goes on a nighttime drive. That's crazy. That's crazy. Damn, it's not that bad over here. Yeah, I made it look like hell down there.
Tell me why last night, bro, I was freaking out because I thought trees were gonna fall in the house. We're like the first ones to die.
That's what I thought too. When I first woke up to it. The tree's gonna fall on it. Gonna roll on it. Did the power out? Did it on the slide? Yeah, see that. Did the power go out on the traffic lights?
Yeah, some of them.
That's crazy. That's annoying. Cutting up with branches. Look at this setup course. Yeah, it's a setup course. The deluxe edition. Actually, the trainee edition. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that's gonna be a lot of work.
For cleaning.
Yeah, for cleaning, yeah.
Glad I don't work for the city.
Bruh. That's crazy. But if you was on community service, that'd be crazy.
Yeah, I'll be like, you know, I'd rather go to jail. At this point.
Yeah. What the fuck, nigga? Why is Walmart shopping cart here? Damn, I could just take it right now. Someone's shopping at Walmart? Yo, can you imagine if that cart just hit somebody in the head? That's crazy. That would be crazy, yo. Some real life scenario cares.
He was staring at us.
Yeah, he was for real. He was staring. That police. Damn, bro. The polinos. Yes, that's clearer. Is that girl getting coffee right now? Oh, she's wrapping up shop. Why? Oh, yep. Cancel plans. Unless y'all still going.
Here in town, they renamed Get Air to Fly now, dude.
I've seen that too, bro. They got rid of Get Air. I know.
Because Fly has virtual reality, does it not?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Fuck off.
Exactly, bruh. So it's Get Air off-branded. What happened to Get? Did they change? Like, did they like get sued or something?
I don't know.
Yeah, something like that. Yo, is that a garbage can? Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, that's. Hey, anybody need a free trash can? There you go. Did they hit each other?
Did they?
Yeah, they was at an angle too. Like, hey, I'm not gonna lie. Did they hit each other, right? You know what I'm saying? I'm nervous. I'm gonna drop my phone.
I know.
Yeah.
I get the same feeling, bro.
Yeah. Hopefully there's no something tomorrow. I need time to recup. Yeah. I'm supposed to go to my school tomorrow too, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I probably. Damn, Starbucks. Bro, Starbucks. There's no way Starbucks is getting customers right now.
When I came here, it was a hella long line, dude.
Oh my gosh, bro. Starbucks is there. Yeah, hey. Yo. Oh my gosh. Yeah. That's still crazy though. Starbucks don't give it out. I bet you Ding Hal's open. Shit up. why is there one freaking cop for a tree when there's other high fucking important shit? That's a daycare right there. You realize that, right?
Someone ran into that.
Yeah. I was about to say that. That's fucked, right?
All that wood is, and then try to.
Yeah, that's fucked, bro. Hey. I don't. Why would the fuck would they put like a church daycare by a what's it called? Yeah, exactly. By a freaking yeah. This is a road I take sometimes to get my kid.
I hate this road though.
Me too. That's why I don't use it.
You just said.
Sometimes though. When I mean sometimes on this, bro, I mean like, bro, like
Needed.
needed, yes.
Yeah.
But I still go the other way.
You went to Starbucks instead of meeting me there.
Something like that. Nah, I didn't take this. I didn't know where the fuck I was. Go straight.
Huh?
No, I thought you were gonna go left. Damn, we got the whole army right here. Cars after cars. Is that a Lyft driver? Yo, they making their money right now. Yo,
I was gonna go out and DoorDash.
Hey, nigga, you should. You would have made hella money.
Yeah.
That's racist. America.
At least I had a pole to put it up on the wall.
Yeah. Nature don't fuck with us. Nature don't like us. We don't fuck with nature. Look, he's pulling the same move as you. Oh, but he's going pretty fast on that bit. Did he just wave at us? Yeah, he does. I should have waved back. Is that our neighborhood nowadays? Just waving at each other?
I guess so.
This is where we at? Okay, where? Yeah, I don't think this is driving, bro. This is yeah, that was some sliding. That was driving sideways, if that was a thing.
So you probably.
I'm a construction worker. Yeah, right. Hello, man.
Oh, thanks for the help.
Yes. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.
Not even dirty.
It's not even dirty. They don't know. Yeah, I didn't do nothing. I'm not gonna lie. I just put them on to look cool.
Everyone doing it.
I put them on to look dope. I'm not gonna lie. Nope. I don't record. I'm not even recording. What are you talking about? I don't know what recording is, and I would never. Damn, nigga, you gonna let me go out like that? Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, it's floating, bro. Yeah, something like that. Free plants. You sliding down the hill when you were pulling up?
Nah.
Because it looked like you was sliding a little bit.
I was scared about it though.
Yeah,
I was like, I might die. Just
bro, you was sliding. He was like sliding into a tree almost. You would have just kept going. You would have been Rackums. Biscuits. Yo, I'm not tripping. Does it look more spacious right there? Has it always been? Yeah, it looks more spacious.
It hasn't always. It's because the snow's melting.
Oh.
He said, "Oh."
Okay.
He said, "I should have known that."
Yeah, something like that, bro. Something on that. Oh, look, let me flip the cursor. Not so
much. Every time we go to Flat Top.
Yeah. Damn, it blew the whole gas station out. Yeah, that would be crazy, though. Oh, shit. Someone's just leaving their bag in the road. That was a good time to litter.
He pointed the camera way late. You looked at it like...
I did, yeah. That was a good time to litter, though.
Yeah, it would be.
I started just scrolling stuff. Shit, I gotta go back to the block for that once.
Bro, we could've went through.
Hit this curb. Damn, bro. That felt good, though. I'm not... Yeah, nah, for real. I'm not... Okay, we behind a church right now. What could we do behind a church?
Fuck you, bro.
That'd be crazy. Hey, you're gay. Hey,
I'm just saying.
Oh, you fucked behind a church? Damn, nigga, you would. Yeah, hey, you be sinning, bro. Yeah. Okay, can we respect churches? We gotta respect the churches, bro.
You still gotta go this way.
I'm in love with my Pokemons. I hate Pokemon. Yeah. Nigga, it's hot in here. Can you roll down some oxygen? I prepped for the...
Say it like you don't have... No, bro.
Bruh. Oh shit, we are. Oh, okay. That's what's gonna happen. Your hat! Oh my gosh, B. Oh my gosh. Your hat. Did you get a haircut?
No.
You think you a nigga in a movie that's sexy, huh? You think you one of them niggas with the wind blows and this is all like, alright. You thought you had a moment. this nigga thought he had a moment.
No, I just need to put it back on. I can't because
shit, I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully my beanie flies off just like you.
I need it.
That'd be my moment. Ah, yeah. I didn't. Yeah. Because I kind of did, so I mean. Wait, I'm not gonna lie. I'm about to take this beanie off and keep it off. Damn, nigga, what's up with you with curbs? Like, damn. Nigga's fucking thing fell off. Oh my goodness gracious. I was like, what is nigga doing? I don't know, bro.
Oh, it hit my face.
Yeah, this nigga's tripping. Yeah, that's crazy. Hey, there's a tree on the sidewalk. That's not supposed to be there. Ding hell! Yeah, this city's fucked, bruh. Hey, damn, nigga! Hey, if I wanted a shower, nigga, I would have rather hopped in mine. Yo, if I wanted a shower, boy. Okay, well, nigga, alright, nigga. It's coming. Yeah, I'm not. They got me a little wet inside. Insurance might get a little more. That's stupid, bro. Like, nature be fucking with us, bro. Hey, it's not as bad as the Ian hurricane thing. Hey, at least. Damn, that wasn't there when we left, huh? What is that? Is that my clothes? Bruh. Yeah. This guy's over here taping a pole. Like, he thinks he's construction. Ooh. Yeah, what is that, a 10? Tarp. Watch that be ours. That's crazy. Oh, yeah, watch that be our tarp. That's crazy.
Alright, what is this one?
Yeah, let's flood it over there. Damn, what's going on out here? Bruh. What is that?
We can't go this way, bro.
Yeah. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, we're about to steal that guy's court. And then, we got a blockage. So it's time to reverse game. Yeah, that's hot as shit, bro. Damn, you think you know what you're doing?
I just don't want the window to fog up, bro. That's even more annoying.
Fog up?
Yeah. Oh. Hi, basketball court.
Damn, you almost hit that big. Got up a thousand, man. Cuidado. Oh, is that thing floating or am I tripping? Yeah. Hey, that's the whole hot springs over there in that little, it's like ice and then there's a hot water in there. Look, I got reversing too. Yeah. We all just reversing. Alright. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, you need a truck hood? It's free. Shit. Put our tools in it. Our construction tools. We need it. Remember that guy that lived in the house over there? That's crazy. Memories. Not for real. There's no way Muldoon is just. Right, there's no way elementary is just freaking. Shit. Hey, bro, we could take a free shower, bro. Or a bath. Is that my mom's car?
I don't know, but we're going first.
There's no way that's her. No, it's not.
We still has the back window.
Yeah, we both look at the back windshield. That's fucked. That's fucked, bro. We both looking at that. Yeah,
After it's over, it'll probably be funny.